Welcome again to eccenca Talking Tech, an in-depth walkthrough of eccenca corporate memory and its features. eccenca corporate memory empowers organizations by transforming data and background knowledge into understandable and executable containers and helps to translate them into better solutions. In this episode, we will look at a feature in the build category of corporate memory, specifically the workflow editor and our workflow first approach. In the last episode, we described how you create a project as a container for your knowledge graph projects. And the first element that you will want to create in your project is a workflow. A workflow contains all the transformation, linking and various other operations that you need to run in order to perform all your data tasks. In corporate memory, workflows are created using this visual editor that allows you to drag and drop tasks and connect them to create a sequence of operations. For starter, let's build a simple pipeline with a CSV dataset. Connect that to a newly created transformation. And finally, connect it to an output dataset, in this case, a knowledge graph. Workflows can be super simple as one single task, or become arbitrarily complex, assembling transformations, linking tasks, and many other elements into the operational pipeline that you need. Once your modeling is complete, it can easily be turned into a REST API by activating the Allow Replacement option on either of the datasets that your workflow entails. This enables you to call the API with other input or to retrieve the output programmatically. That's it for a very basic overview about workflows and how to assemble them. At eccenca, we are constantly working to streamline and simplify the use of our products. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more episodes of Talking Tech.